I suffered a water leak from the water heater in the RV. At some point I had to replace the water tank, and in so doing we went back with some shark bites, because they do use like these plastic fittings. Plastic lines are used in a camper because of the vibration and stuff. That's why I don't go with copper and stuff. Copper may crack. So anyway, what happened, I don't know if you can tell on the camera here, let's go closely, but the being the inlet going into the hot water tank, if the water's not flowing, this is going to get hot. Don't believe that this should happen. However, you can see where the teeth had slid back, or allowed the tubing to slide back on the teeth until it passed the O-ring, and then it started to leak. So that occurred over a period of time. So I'm going to put a small piece of copper back here, and you can see the original setup. They use these fittings here. I had grabbed the plastic quick connect when I put this extra valve in here to shut it down in the winter and drain just the tank. So let me know in the comments your thoughts on this stuff.